मायनिंग केशीन आदलो मायन्स मिनिस्टर आनी मुख्यमंत्री आमदार दिगंबर कामतीचो अटकपूर्व जामीन अर्ज सकाळी पणजे खासा कोर्टान सुनावणेक आयलो. दिगंबर कामत सध्या अंतरीम जामिनाचेर आसा. कोर्टान दिगंबराच्या आदवोगादान रिजॉइंडर फायल करपाक आनी वेळ मागलो. ताका 5 जून मेरेन जापेक प्रास दिला. अर्जाचेर निर्णायक सुनावणी 9 जूनाक जातली. तो मेरेन दिगंबर कामतीक अटक जावची ना.
So as far as the matter of Digambar Kamat is concerned, anticipatory bail application number 72 of 2017, we have already filed reply in the matter, and the matter was fixed today for rejoinder on behalf of the applicant. They have sought time, and the matter is fixed on the 5th of June for their rejoinder. Thereafter, the matter is most likely to be argued on the 9th of June. Okay. As far as Digambar Kamat is concerned.
आदलो मायन्स डायरेक्टर अरविंद लोलियकार आनी मायन्स खात्याचो टेक्निकल स्टाफ D'Souza हे अरेस्ट जायत म्हूण अटकपूर्व जामिनाक गेल्यात. आज सुनावणी जावपाची आशिल्ली, पूण मजगतीं एसआयटीन इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर बदलला. ताका लागून एसआयटीन प्रास मागलो. कोर्ट आतां हे अर्ज 14 जूनाक सुनावणेक घेतले.
As far as the other two matters are concerned of Arvind Loliekar 87 of 2017 and D'Souza. In these matters, since the investigating officer has been changed, now Dattaguru Sawant is the new investigating officer. He required time for preparation of the reply, and the reply has to be vetted. So we have sought time in both these matters, and the matters have been fixed for our reply in both these matters on the 14th of June. Thereafter, the matter will be argued.
हे केशीन दिगंबर कामतीक 9 जून मेरेन तरी थाकाय आसा. तो मेरेन तरी ताका अरेस्ट करपाक मेळची ना. आदलो मायन्स डायरेक्टर अरविंद लोलियकार आनी डिसोजाचे कितें ते 14 जूनाक थारतले. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकर आनी चेतन कवस.